Comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money,
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money,
Dollar, dollar.
Hello and welcome to Money on the Floor Currency Trader. Yep, me and Robert were very excited. We've done it. We did it now. We're in trouble. Yep, we're going to open up the trade room. It's open up for purchase right now. We went back and forth on it. You know, the price. How do you charge? How do you charge for making money every day in the markets? I don't know. How do you charge? It's a very difficult thought, very difficult question. The average price is a lot of places are $200. Quite a lot of them are $100. I've been in many for $100. And you know, every once in a while it was worth being in there because it made the $100 twice over, but not enough for me, so I canceled. So I'm thinking, and Robert was thinking, and we threw each other around a little bit, but we both came to the conclusion it needs to be $50. It needs to be something affordable, something you can get back in, you know, one trade, two trades. This way it's worth you being here. And we're hoping it's affordable and you'll like it and you'll tell your friends and they'll like it and everybody's making money. We can all be in there together. And then if it works out, we can have an Asian session, we can have a London session. But right now we're going to try the New York. So we'll see. I'm very excited. I've been in them, but I've never done them. So this will be fun, scary, and exciting all at the same time. So now you might have to put up with me making a few mistakes here and there, but that's okay. I'll get over it. I learn fast. Maybe not fast enough. You know, it took me 6 years to actually keep a profit in Forex, but hell, I could learn to make it. I just couldn't learn to keep it. But I'm good now. And I'll teach you everything that got me past that big, big, big hurdle. Big, scary hurdle, that's for sure. So anyway, me and Robert are very excited. Two guys trading, trade room. It is open. You can purchase it now. Now I've done one more thing. The template, if you buy the 5-minute template, we're going to give you 1 month free of the trade room. So really, you're only paying $50 for the template. And so I'm looking forward to that. I'm hoping people take advantage of that because it is good to have this on your chart when you're looking at your chart and I'm looking at my chart and I'm calling out trades and I'm telling you that we're at resistance and you're actually seeing it on your chart. When I'm telling you the candle's going red, you see it on your chart. You understand. The oscillator's red at the bottom. You see it on your chart. You understand. And I tell you that we're coming down, that we're hitting a little bit of support. We're bouncing up. And then all of a sudden we got the yellow X, but we're hitting support. And it's showing up. Or a trend line. Or anything. Like this trend line here could be coming all the way down here. We spot that. Maybe I don't spot it. Somebody else spots it first. But pretty good at spotting those. So we see that trend line. We see the yellow X. We're in a triangle. Let's exit. Take the money and run. So I don't think we're going to get rich. I think we're all going to make money. That's the goal. The goal is to make money and keep it at the end of the day. Doesn't matter if it's a dollar. You're a professional trader. If you can make a dollar and keep it. If you can make $100 and keep it, it's even better. But you know, it depends on the size of your account. Now, size of account. What size account should you trade? Minimum $500. But then it's best in an overseas account because then you get more leverage. I'm not one of those guys that's going to tell you, oh no, only trade 1%, 2% of your account. No, I trade up to 10% because I got my stops so tight that I'm not willing to lose much. That I want to trade as much as my account as I can so that I can make money. Now, if I start making money in the account and the account goes from 500 to 1,000, that's fine. I'll leave that in there and take a chance. Because every once in a while, there's something terrible that happens in the market. And it is something where maybe the market could go 1,000 pips. And even if you have a stop loss, it'll jump that stop loss. So the problem is if that happens, and it only happens once in a great while, but it does happen, and it's happened to me. I had trades going, it jumped my stop, and it just wiped out my account. So you never, ever, ever want to leave too much in your account. You want to make money and take it home. Make money and take it home. This way, for some weird reason, something happens and your account gets wiped out, you're not losing all your money. You're losing just that what you had in the account. Now, this rarely happens, but does happen. You need to know it. So, it's happened a few times. Usually it's around elections, we usually know it's coming. And around that time, we just don't trade. Or we trade very small. And right now, we don't have that. So, but you never know when it could happen. It's called a black swan. You never know. It does happen. But I don't want to scare you. I make very good money doing this. So I can make $200 to $300 a day easily with usually I'm trading with about $4,000, $5,000, sometimes three. And that's an American account. Now, if I go overseas and I get an account for about $1,000, I can make at least $100, $200 a day easily. Not always easy. There are some days, believe me, the market just doesn't go anywhere. So that happens too. Or the market's out to get you. You may have a losing day. It's rare, very rare, because this thing keeps our stops close. 5 pips, boom. 5 pips isn't far. So anyway, I'm here to teach you how I do it. Please give it a chance. At least give it 1 month chance. Try it out. Software is awesome. It's best if you get the software. You know exactly what I'm looking at. And if there's any changes to the software, I'll definitely give that to you. And add-ons. I always like to find other things to add on to make it better. So I'm here to help you. So I'm here to make life better for me and life better for you. I don't like trading by myself. It gets boring. And I love helping other traders. I used to hear that and thought it was such a bunch of bull. But no, it's true. I'm starting to believe some of them. Because I see it is fun. It is rewarding to be able to be able to give back to those that were in your own shoes a while back. So I definitely know the feeling. So anyway, I look forward to seeing you all in the trade room. It's very, very exciting. Let's take a look at it. Let's see if we can there it is, the website. Let me scroll down and show you where it's at, just to make sure you know where it's at. Boom. Sign up for the New York Trade Room. Yep. The buy button is above. Yep, it's right there. I agree, it's there. Monday through Friday at 5:30 for 3 hours. Now, if we're making money, we're going to go more than 3 hours. So don't worry about that. I was thinking only 2, but I'm trading anyway for 3 hours. I don't mind keeping it open. So we'll see how this all goes and see if we like it. Might keep it open longer. I don't mind. As long as we're making money. If we made enough money, we're done. We're done. Don't need to overtrade. Just need to make money. Sometimes I only need 1 or 2 currency pairs. I don't like trading a whole bunch. I like using, the strength indicator. So I know which one's strong, which one's weak, which one's moving. So I like to have news running in the background. I'll show you all that. I like Elliott Wave. They're not always right, but they are able to find where the big trades might be. If they happen, they happen. If they don't, they don't. But I've learned, don't listen to anybody because all I do is get in trouble. I listen to the chart. The chart tells me what to do. If I listen to other people, I lose money. So if they tell me something and the chart confirms it, okay, that's great. 2 things telling me that. I love it. So anyway, I'm very excited. This is to sign up for the room. Now the other option, there's Robert showing off the t-shirt, is this one, where you buy the software. It's yours for life. And we're going to give you 1 month of the trade room. So 1 month, you're going to make it 10 times over. I'm hoping you make enough money that you're going to say, okay, I'm not rich, but it paid for the software and it pays for a couple of months coming of the, of the trade room. Maybe we open up the London or the Asian and you want to get a couple of those. So you're looking $50 a pop, $150 a month. But if I can prove you one of them will be worth having, then maybe you'd want all 3. We'll see. Only time tells. I believe, put the money where your mouth is. Let's make some money. So at this rate, let's say you get the software, and if you did have to get the room, it was $50. So really, your software is only $50. So that's a heck of a deal. So I hope you guys think it's good and worth your time, worthwhile for you. I would love to have you there. I'm very excited. All I want to do is make money and find out who you are. All right. Anyway, guys, we will talk to you soon. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.